Let's have a look at this question. It says a school is buying new books for their library. They want to arrange the books in such a way that each shelf has books of one subject only and all shelves have equal number of books. Now these are two important conditions that you need to keep on your mind, that a shelf will contain books only from one subject and all shelves should have equal number of books. That is also being spoken about. They also want to minimize the number of shelves required for these books. That is also given to you on the question. Now they are buying how many books? They are buying 60 science books, they are buying 84 mathematics books, and they are buying 96 history books. Now understand this thing, that if I only look at the first two conditions, which is a shelf can contain books of only one subject and all the shelves should have equal books, then I can place one book in each shelf. Then I'll get 60 shelves of science, 84 shelves of mathematics, and 96 shelves of history books. But the problem is they want to minimize the number of shelves required. Then let me experiment with two books. Then I'll get 30 shelves of science books, 84 divided by 2, which is 42 shelves of mathematics book, and 48 shelves of history books will be required in that case if I put two books of each subject on each shelf, right? But again, that is not minimizing. So what was that one? What is this 2? This is nothing but the factors of 60, 84 and 96, right? Now, since I have to ensure that all the shelves will contain equal number of books and from same subject, I'll have to look at common factors of 60, 84 and 96 and ensure that I'm picking the highest factor between these three numbers as the number of books on each shelf. So let me just put this on the screen for you. So if I look at 60 as a number, then you will realize that 60 will have what? Will have factors like 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, all the way up to what? 60. Those will be the factors of 60, correct? Then what will be the factors of 84? Factors of 84 will be nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those will be the factors of 84. And same way 96 will be nothing but will be having factors like 1, 2, 3 and all the way up to 96, right? I am looking at the highest factor for all of these three numbers, which is present in all three numbers, right? So that is technically nothing but the highest common factor of the numbers 60, 84 and 96. If you look at 60, 84 and 96, the highest common factor will turn out to be what? 12. So each shelf will contain 12 books. Now, how many shelves will be required for science books? It is going to be 60 divided by 12. That's going to be 5. How many number of shelves will be required for mathematics books? That's going to be 84 divided by 12. That's going to be 7 shelves of mathematics book. And how many shelves will be required for history books? 96 divided by 12. That's going to be what? That's going to be 8 shelves, right? So all in all, total what we are getting 5 plus 7 plus 8 is turning out to be what? Is turning out to be the total number of shelves required to place these books, and that is going to be how many? 20 shelves will be required. So 20 shelves, and each shelf will contain 12 books. So 12 and 20 will turn out to be the correct answer, which is option C.